Welcome and thank you for joining us today. I'm Velma with the Southeast Oklahoma Library System, and I'd like to share with you an easy craft that is quick and it really requires very few materials. It's a small decorative holder that you can use to put pencils, small flowers like I've done with this one here. This is one I did a few months ago, or knickknacks in, and you can embellish it however you like. Now for your supplies, you're going to need one tuna can, and I've got 20 clothespins here, and I happened to buy these at Walmart. I found it was the best deal. And you're going to need some ribbon, and I happen to have some scrap ribbon off of an old holiday decoration that I had, and I just took it off of there. And you can use paint. I've got some acrylic paint here. You don't have to, but these are options you could use. You can also use markers, and that's how I did the tips of this, and I'll show you as we go along. Now today I'm going to make one for the Christmas holidays, and I'm thinking of putting candy canes in it. I think it'll be really cute. I also cut some juniper off of a tree I've got and snipped a few other things off of some holiday decorations. I've been cannibalizing them. Let's see. Okay, here's my tuna can, and I mean anyone can do this. You just line your clothespins up all the way around. And I found the cat food cans work the best. They're the best size. The clothespins cover it up all the way down. Seems a little early for the holidays, but the way that they stock the stores now, you've got to get in there right away. And one more should do it. Now this can took 20 clothespins, and you get 100 in a pack at Walmart for under $2, so I think that's a pretty good deal. Now depending on the weight of your ribbon, you could either use just regular craft glue, tacky glue, but because this is a little bit heavier, I went ahead and am using my glue gun just to be sure it stays on. And I'm going to follow that wire all the way around. Probably don't really need to do every single one either. Stop just a second here, put another glue stick in. I got a pair of scissors, I'll just snip that. I'm going to pull that up a little bit. These are easy enough to adjust too. If you do mess up, it's real easy to fix. Part of it was my clothespin went up a little bit. And I think I'm going to put this find a spot where I didn't glue. I didn't glue every single one. It really wasn't necessary. And this probably would stay without it, but I'm going to attach it anyway. A few little Christmas berries. And this little bell actually came off of a holiday earring I had. Here you go. And now, just to spruce it up a little, I'm going to just tip the ends of it with some green at the top. Just got my little paintbrush. Just a note, it'd probably be better to paint it first. And if you wanted to, you could paint the whole clothespins. That would be real pretty. So save your tuna cans. And there we have it. And I think that'd be real cute to put some candy canes in for this Christmas coming up. And I thank you very much today for watching us at Southeast Oklahoma Library System. And I hope you enjoyed the simple craft and try to make one for yourselves.